Hey everyone, welcome back. Normally I discuss various ways on how you can make money online as an African and worldwide. But today we are changing it up a little bit. I want to talk about cryptocurrency, especially a crypto token that has been going viral on the internet. In general, I don't like making videos on cryptocurrencies because usually they are always full of scams and you will need to actually buy and use your own money to make money from cryptocurrencies. And if you look at my videos, I talk about on how you can solely make money without spending any money. But after hearing about this new project called Hamster Kombat, I had to speak about it. This project is very similar to another project that was very successful. It was a token named Notcoin. On Notcoin, for you to get the coin for free, all you had to do was simply click on the screen and play games. After that, people made money without spending a single dime. For example, if you had accumulated 450,000 Notcoins through mining, simply tapping the screen and not spending a single dime, after they listed Notcoin on cryptocurrency exchange, people were selling them for over $2,000. They were getting so much money for simply clicking on their screen and playing some games and not investing a single dollar to buy Notcoin. And it seems like this token, Hamster Kombat, can be the next Notcoin. So before it gets listed on the cryptocurrency exchange, I made the decision to make a video on it so that my subscribers can make free money when Hamster Kombat gets listed on the market. So first of all, what is Hamster Kombat? I found out about Hamster Kombat through the hype on how many subscribers they got on YouTube. If you search their YouTube account, you can see they have over 20 million subscribers, even though the account was made on May this year. With that much success, I did my research on why this YouTube account was getting so many followers. That's when I found out about Hamster Token. Apparently, they have a Telegram that has over 30 million users daily, and all of those people are mining Hamster Kombat, so that when Hamster Kombat gets listed on the market, they will earn free money. If you're still confused, do you remember back in the days how people used to mine Bitcoin? Those people were finding Bitcoin tokens for free, and then later on, when Bitcoin was on the market, they were selling it at a higher price. And that is exactly what will happen to Hamster Kombat. And let's say that none of this happens. Let's say that after we spend days and days tapping our screens and playing games, Hamster Kombat never gets listed on the market. At the end of the day, that is not a loss. As long as you are not spending your own money, I don't see the harm in playing and tapping on your screen in exchange for a hope to get some free money, especially when Notcoin was also a successful project. On top of it, the hype that Hamster Kombat has right now tells me that it will get listed on the market. And when it gets listed, all the coins and all the profit per hours that you collected will be given to you for free. And all you will have to do is sell those coins. Currently, the news is that a lot of companies and large exchanges are backing Hamster Kombat. There is a high chance that it will get listed on the market. So now, how do we make sure that you don't miss this opportunity? You need to follow some steps to ensure you get your rewards. First, you need a Telegram account. After you sign up for Telegram, go to Google and search for Hamster Kombat. After that, you'll be redirected to their Telegram channel. Click on the play button. Recently, the developers announced that the rewards that you will collect and sell depends on the profit per hour and other activity parameters, and not just the coin balance. One of these parameters is the daily rewards. Many people currently have summed up a lot of coins and they have stopped engaging. But don't do that. You need to participate actively by claiming your daily rewards to avoid missing out. Second, for you to get a lot of coins, you need to solve the daily combo cards. So the daily combo cards are a way for you to make coins. Those cards are always solved by people on TikTok or others on the Hamster Kombat YouTube channel. Another way for you to earn coins is by solving daily ciphers. Again, you don't need to think a lot. Just go to TikTok and someone has already solved it for you. But the developers mentioned that the profit per hour is more important than your coin balance. So after you gather a lot of coins, do your best to increase your profit per hour, because you never know exactly how they will give out these rewards. Finally, you need to click on where it says airdrop so that you can connect your Ton wallet. Basically, you need to download from Google Play Store an app called Ton Keeper. That app will be your Ton wallet that is required for you to connect it to your Hamster Kombat. And that's it. That is Hamster Kombat explained. If you are interested, join Hamster Kombat Telegram channel and start tapping away. But remember, even if later on they say, hey, you need to spend money to get this coin so that you can then sell it, please don't do that. I just need you to make money online without spending a single dime. I hope you remember that. That's it for today. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and share this video with your family and friends. Also leave a comment and tell me whether you will join Hamster Kombat or not. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, goodbye.